If you need a powerful blender to crush ice and frozen fruit, finding the best model for your needs can be time-consuming, but it does not have to be. To help you shop for a great blender, we have compiled this list of the 5 best blenders for crushing ice and frozen drinks. Each of our top picks has a detailed review, including design, power, features, and warranty, so you can easily compare them. I will leave links in the description. You can check them for more information and the latest price. Also included is the favorite pick at the end of the video. Starting our list with the CleanBlend Commercial Blender. The CleanBlend 2001 Commercial Blender is another powerful option, but it is heavier, more expensive, and not especially well designed. This bulky 12-pound blender has an impressive 1,800-watt motor that easily crushes ice. The package includes a Japanese-made 8-tip stainless steel blade assembly, a 64-ounce BPA-free blending jar, and a BPA-free tamper and spatula. In testing, we found that even the lower speed settings were very fast. CleanBlend has a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 5-year warranty. Pros: very powerful high-speed motor, works well on ice. Durable blades and blending jar. Includes tamper and spatula. 30-day money-back guarantee and 5-year warranty. Cons: less attractive and heavier. Fairly expensive. The number 2 is the Blendtec Total Blender. It is a lightweight, powerful model that justifies its higher price with a great range of features. This model weighs 7.28 pounds and has a 1,560-watt motor that effectively crushes ice. The simple button interface offers 6 pre-programmed cycles, 10 variable speeds, a pulse feature, and a handy self-cleaning button. The BPA-free plastic pitcher has a smaller 32-ounce blending capacity, but is well designed with a fifth wall that pulls ingredients down onto the blade. The 2-tip stainless steel blade feels durable and is not sharp, so it is safe and easier to clean. However, Blendtec has a generous 8-year warranty, and it was our pick for the best overall blender for crushing ice. Pros: lightweight, powerful motor that works well on ice, many preset speeds, sturdy, well-designed blending jar and blade, self-cleaning feature, does not require tamping, lengthy 8-year warranty. Cons: smaller blending pitcher, not very stylish but expensive, less durable gaskets and plastic components. The number 3 is the Ninja BL610 Ice Crushing Blender. Are you looking to save money? You may be interested in the Ninja Professional BL610 Countertop Blender, which we recommend as the best blender for crushing ice and frozen drinks for the money. This 7-pound model is affordable and lightweight, but still has a 1,000-watt motor that can quickly crush ice and frozen fruit. It has a BPA-free, dishwasher-safe pitcher with a large 64-ounce blending capacity and a sturdy 6-blade assembly, plus a simple interface with pulse, low, medium, and high options. The BL610 has a reasonably appealing design and works well with ice, but it is also loud and requires tamping for smooth blends. Ninja offers a basic 1-year warranty that does not cover the pitcher. Pros: lightweight, affordable, and fairly attractive. Large capacity, strong motor and blades that work well on ice. Easy to use with 3 speeds and a pulse option. Basic 1-year warranty. Cons: requires tamping to blend smoothly. A less durable pitcher that is not covered by the warranty. Sharp blades are harder to clean and quickly become dull. The number 4 is the Vitamix 7500 Ice Blender. If you have extra room in your budget, you may want to give the Vitamix 7500 blender a try. This high-end model has a powerful all-metal drive and plenty of useful features, but is also heavy and has less durable components. This 13-pound blender has a powerful motor and a 64-ounce blending capacity. It has a clunky switch and dial interface with 10 variable speeds and a pulse option. The motor has a radial cooling fan and a thermal protection system, and the 4-tip stainless steel blade assembly effectively cuts through ice. We especially like the self-cleaning feature and the choice of attractive colors. Vitamix offers a good 7-year warranty. Pros: strong motor, works well with ice and frozen fruit. Self-cleaning feature, 10 speeds and a pulse option. Radial cooling fan and built-in thermal protection, 7-year warranty. Cons: very expensive and heavier. Clunky interface, less durable blades and gears. The number 5 is the Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher Blender. The Hamilton 54221 Beach Wave features a 40-ounce glass pitcher with a well-designed lid with a handy no-mess spout. It features 14 blending settings for every conceivable situation and has powerful 700-watt motor crushes contents quickly for smooth, icy drinks. It features a patented wave action system that continuously forces contents down into the Hamilton Ice Saber blades. The lid, blades, and glass jar are dishwasher safe, and the base comes with storage for the cord. It is perfect for parties or making a pitcher of shakes and smoothies that the whole family can enjoy. Pros: 4 blending settings, 700-watt motor, glass pitcher. Cons: push-button function selector, blade design. Food gets stuck on the bottom. Overall, the Blendtec Total Blender is best for crushing ice and frozen drinks, which is powerful, lightweight, and feature-heavy. And with that, come to the end of my review. All the blenders are best for crushing ice and frozen drinks. Each of the mentioned blenders offers unique features and advantages. Your choice among these excellent options will ultimately depend on your specific requirements and kitchen setup.